Good morning. So today is a day of many possibilities. I think it's gonna rain, probably within the next few hours. I am going into Great Barrington. There's two different ways to get there. One that's 10 miles away, one that's, I think, 17 or 18. So, need to choose one of those two. I also don't know where I'm staying in Great Barrington. I could do my first hotel motel or stay at the community center and tent there. So I'll do one of those options, but nothing is set in stone right now. Here I am, yet again, absolutely drenched before 9:30 in the morning. I'm so sick of this heat. I will not miss the summer heat of 2022. I cannot wait till it gets cold. It just makes everything so much harder. And there's no rain. It's just hot. There's no water. It's brutal. It's brutal day in and day out. The terrain is not even hard. It's just the conditions have made this really tough. I'm just so sick of just being constantly sweaty at the beginning of the day. I think just the past hour of hiking up that mountain. I don't even know what mountain that was. It was like, I don't know. I don't know what it was. We never came to a summit. Never came to anything, so I think that solidified my choice that I'm treating myself to a hotel or motel tonight. I need to not sleep in a tent. There's no hostels like in all of Maine, so the accommodations are sleep in a tent at a trail angel's house or get a hotel, and really nothing in between. Nice water cache. It is needed. There's water around here, but a lot of it is these really dry beaver ponds, so rather not drink from that if I don't have to. Yeah, so having these water caches here are great, so I'm gonna fill up here. Alright, so I've been getting absolutely dumped on. Yeah, it's hard to... Is there something on my hat? It's super hard to film in the rain, as you might guess. But yeah, it just kind of opened up, and I still had 6-ish miles left to go. I still have a half mile. So yeah, but I don't know. Today I was already soaked. just from walking in the humidity, and then it dumped on me, so it wasn't that bad. I think I'd rather get rained on than just walk in straight humidity in August in the mid-Atlantic. Or in the, not mid-Atlantic, in the Northeast. So it's just, it's muggy, it's gross. I'd rather just be rained on. So plan from now is to get a motel. I'm not sure, might be splitting it with a few people, might not. Still need to figure that out. It's hard because my phone is kind of wet and it's hard to like take it out and call these motels and stuff, so I will figure that out and probably film something again when I'm dry and settled in. Alright, first motel. You can see from the smile on my face, this is like the best that I've felt. I was texting Elise, like, this is the best that I've felt since, hold on, let me mute the TV. Since I left my house in Virginia for Maine. Like, this is the most comfortable I've been. Shower was so nice. I'm gonna show you around the room a little bit. I love the little checkout thing. An explosion of all my gear. Here's all my wet stuff that I'm gonna go and do laundry in a little bit. Have a TV, and I have Impractical Jokers on. It's definitely one of my favorite TV shows. Some coffee. And yeah, here I'm like pre-cleaning some of my socks. So trying to get a lot of the dirt out before I actually go and wash them. Yeah, because if you're doing laundry and all your stuff's just already dirty, then it's just gonna get washed in the dirty stuff. So I try and rinse my socks out before I wash them. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna hang out here, enjoy the comfortable bed and dry room, and yeah, I'm happy, I'm clean, I'm dry. Alright, so I'm just finishing up laundry right here. I'm staying at Monument Mountain Motel, but they have some kind of deal with the Fairfield Inn and Suites, which is right there, to where you can go in there and do, you can do laundry. So this Monument Mountain was only $110 for hikers, and the Fairfield Inn and Suites was like $240 for hikers, but Fairfield Inn does have a hot tub and a pool, and all of their rooms have baths, so, or some of their rooms have baths. I did ask. I called and asked, because I'd love to take a bath and also to wash my pack. But anyway, this is, Monument Mountain is a good deal because it's cheaper, and Great Barrington is expensive. Like, it's an expensive town. I'm spending a lot of money today. But the fact that you can do laundry at Fairfield Inn and Suites is a plus.